صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Chapter on rinsing one's mouth and putting water in one's nose and cleaning it by blowing the water out with a single handful of water. Narrated Amr ibn Yahya on the authority of his father, Abdullah ibn Zayd, may Allah be pleased with him, poured water in his hands from a utensil containing water and washed them, and then with one handful of water he rinsed his mouth and cleaned his nose by putting water in it and then blowing it out. He repeated it thrice. He then washed his hands and forearms up to the elbows twice, and passed wet hands over his head, both forwards and backwards, and washed his feet up to the ankles and said, "Thus was the ablution of Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him."